So now we'll see the growth of entrepreneurship, how we had the entrepreneurship in our India. So we'll divide the period into pre-independence and post-independence period. In pre-independence, we have pre-colonial and colonial. Now independence, we'll see pre-liberalization and post-liberalization era. So we can split India into these four time quadrants, and we'll see how entrepreneurship has been in India during these periods. The first one is pre-colonial. So pre-colonial is up to 1757. So we had the Indus Valley civilization. So that is the civilization in Mohenjo-daro, Harappa is even standing today. So it is even standing today, and it is showing off the showcase of the people who lived there. The many handicrafts, weapons, and tools were made and traded during that period. So that uh, showcase the talent of people who lived during that period. People resided in villages where economies were largely violent or self-sustaining. The people formed groups and lived in villages where the economies were largely self-sustaining. They were able to sell their products and make a living for themselves. So then came the rulers, different rulers who invaded India and started ruling people. So what they said is villagers, whatever they produce using agriculture, they have to pay a portion of that as a revenue to the king. And craftsmen received crops for their services. So the concept of money was not there. They used to exchange. You had a system called barter system, right? So they used to exchange money. They used to exchange the services for goods. Goods and services were exchanged. The villagers used to provide crops, and they used to get the services from other people. So that was a system followed. So pre-colonial, next one is region-based. So certain regions had certain raw materials, so those things were formed around those regions. For example, recognizable products came out from various village communities based on the location on bank of river. The rivers were used for transporting the goods. For example, in Lucknow, printed fabric became a selling commodity. In Ahmedabad, dhotis and dupattas. In Banaras, you had saris. In Nagpur, you had silk bordered cloth. In Bengal, you had cotton. In Kashmir, you had woolen shawl. So all these areas became famous with their own goods, and they were transporting these goods to the other parts of the country using rivers as a mean of transportation. So slowly, economy started building around these cities.